Good morning, everyone. Today, our group will be presenting the innovation called Food Hunter app. If you guys ready, let's start. I will start with the content for today of the online. We have 7 topics to talking about. The first one is product concepts and its objectives. Next will be the novelties, following by creativities and usefulness. Also, the overall acceptabilities and practicality of these innovations, and following with the commercial values and its marketability. And we will end with the cost and economic effectiveness.
Hi, my name is Balkis Nazlin. Now, I'm going to talk about the introduction. As many food and beverages sector face the problem to manage the system of their company, we come out with the idea of making an app to ease both employees and customers, which called as Food Hunter app. This app provides the freedom to order from any place at any time without pausing everything and making a call to the restaurant. By using this app, the customer can simply choose their favorite restaurant to make a reservation, update with the current availability to dine in and what menu did they serve. While for the employees in the system, when their customers already key in the system, they will know their list menu for each table and easily can detect what dishes they already got and what is not.
Concept and objectives. As many companies in the food and beverage industry struggle to manage their system, we devised the notion of developing apps called Food Hunter for both employees and customers. Using Food Hunters, user can simply select their favorite restaurant to make a reservation, receive updates on current availability to dine in, and see what menu they serve. Employee will know their list menu for each table in the system when their customer already typed in and will be able to simply distinguish which meals have been served and which have not. So first and foremost, Food Hunter apps specially designed to promote Malaysia that is known as a rich food country. The first objective of our apps is to offer a medium of alternative for Food Hunter. Usually, many people will spend more time to search and browse the places to go eat through various websites to see best recommendation from previous customers of the certain restaurant or any F&B outlet. This action has wasting more time of user to find their choice, but with Food Hunter apps, the food traveler can easily access and find information such as the nearest restaurant with best recommendation from other user. Also, we use attractive graphical related to each places. Here, we apply the product concept of simpler design, view and graphical user interface, which is GUI system, to ease the process of gather information. Next objective is to serve the user with better, fast and updated information. We provide more compact but various feature and information for user to have a fast way to proceed their choice of any restaurant. Using Food Hunters app, the user also get the notification if their favorite list of restaurants have made a discount and promotion in conjunction with celebration or any special day in Malaysia. The last but not least, the objective of our apps is to improve safety and security of food travelers. This app will notify user if there is any accident happen near their places, such as wildfire or construction breakdown, and also warn the user to not go near the danger places.
Hi, now I will explain the novelty. So as we can go through further, what is a novelty and the novelty of a Food Hunter apps. So first thing first, according to the Collins Dictionary, novelty can be defined as that something is new, distinct and uncommon. Something that is novel and so intriguing is referred to as a novelty. and the property of being novel, contemporary, and fascinating. Next, we move on to the novelty of Food Hunter apps. This time, I will show the differences between Food Hunter apps and the other food app. The Food Hunter app is a restaurant booking application, and the main function of this app is customer can easily book or reserve seat in a chosen restaurant. Also, this application can fit more than 50 restaurants nearby customer location. And the other criteria are customer can pay online, choose what type of food they eat, whether they have an allergy or any food restriction, such vegetarian. And apart from that, a customer can determine which seat do they want to reserve. For example, if people want to have meals with scenery view, they can choose window view and so on. Moving on, what is differences between Food Hunter apps and the usual food apps? The most common differences are Food Hunter app do not offer food delivery like others do. And this is because our main purpose is to improve on dine-in in a restaurant. We want to encourage people to dine in a restaurant without having any difficulties to make a reservation or any online booking. So we came up with this idea since our customer might feel bored to have food delivery as for their lunch or their dinner. So our message is we want customers to go out from their houses and travel for food.
The topic 3, which is all about the creativity, I was talking about the features of food ordering system. We will see what are the must-have features of a food ordering app. When you create an on-demand food delivery mobile app, whether it's for a restaurant to use a business model, or you're trying to figure out how to design a delivery app like Postmates, you're actually creating 4 apps and then combining them into one. So, because you're developing an app for 3 different stakeholders: restaurant, customers, delivery people, and the admin, and also the functionality will differ from one screen to the next. So let's take a look at the characteristics from the perspective of each of the 4 stakeholders. As you can see, for the customer side, there will be the functions or features like login, search menu, cart, the payment integrations, order tracking, rating and reviews, and customer support as usual that you guys have seen before in the food ordering app. And next will be for the restaurant side. As you can see, we have login, menu management, between the push notifications, and also checking rating and review, which is differ from the customer side, of course. Next one will be the delivery side. We will have the registration for the deliverer side, order management, updating the order status. And next for the admin side, they will manage everything. We have the admin login icon, restaurant management, application management, payment management, discount offers and coupons, and also the technical assistant as well. Next, you will see the technology stack of food delivery app development. As you can see in the pictures, for the restaurant listing, there will be like GrabHub or API or Foursquare API, which is the technology that will help. And for the payment, we will have the Braintree, Stripe, or PayPal, as you guys know. And to find user locations, we can use Google Play or Core Locations. Also, to find directions, we can use Google Maps or MapKit. And for clouds, we will have Azure or AWS. And for registrations, we have Facebook, SDK login, or for the storage, we have Amazon Cloud Storage. And for the analytics, we have Google Analytics, as you guys know.
Next, we move to the usefulness of the apps. Food Hunter apps is a great tool for customer engagement. First, customers can save their time by doing a reservation before entering a restaurant. where they manage to prevent the painful experience of wasting time in a long queue. Second, often customers prefer to view a particular restaurant's rating or reviews. If you are rated well, then the chances are high that people will visit to your restaurant. Besides that, customer also can get a clear description of the restaurant that they want to go. Then, even the most experienced server can make a mistake in noting an order. But this scenario can be avoided if your staff has a better technological advantage. So, by using Food Hunter apps, this restaurant will have a smooth navigation and can avoid order errors.
Overall acceptability of our product is that we believe many users will find out that it is very useful because it is necessary to use, as they don't have to bring any flyers or maps about the restaurant they want to go, as they can easily open the apps on their mobile phone. This statement is strongly supported by a research done on 2020. The number of people using digital technology such as mobile phone has increased to 5.07 million due to technology advancements. According to 2018 statistics, people often open their mobile phones 1 to 10 times a day, so that's mean an application are being used in our daily life. On top of that, Food Hunter is very useful, especially for food lovers, because it is very convenient and accessible at any time and anywhere. Furthermore, according to Tourism Malaysia Integrated Promotion Plan 2018 to 2020, where there is an emergence in technology such as QR code, AR, VR, and mobile application, and it can boost tourist arrival in Malaysia. As we moving towards an endemic, we have to reactivate food tourism in Malaysia, as that enhance our GDP in Malaysia.
We also have done a survey on perspective of respondents on new launch Food Hunter app. The survey includes both male and female respondents. Then, the background of respondents is among the students, employed and unemployed people, and their status is either they are single or married. The result shows most of the respondents, which is 83.3% of them, agree that Food Hunter app should be launched.
For the commercial value and marketability, first, there is only a few food hunting apps in Malaysia that offers various features such as map, menu, promotion, rating, and more. As we know, many food applications are only for order of takeaway and delivery food, such as Grab and Foodpanda. That is obviously different with our Food Hunter apps. In addition, we also notify users for promotion of their favorite restaurant during celebration or special day in Malaysia. Therefore, our apps will definitely encourage more users to use it, as it offers more features and very convenient. Second, Food Hunter also offers free downloads to users. Free download apps generally receive more downloads than pay apps. For our user, they can easily download Food Hunter apps in their mobile phone without paying for testing out our service, whether they like it or not, because later they can save their money from wasting it for only testing the apps. And lastly, Food Hunter is one of the platforms that promote food tourism in Malaysia. As we all know, Malaysia are rich with variety of foods, with variety of famous Asia cuisine, which such as Malay, Chinese, Indian, and also Thai. With Food Hunter, the user will able to easily access their favorite food based on their previous history and also choices recommended by other users.
So we move on to the topic number 7. which is all about the cost of the technology and its innovations. How much does it cost to build a food hunter app? The answer is the cost of developing a food delivery apps like Uber Eats or Grubhub would come out to somewhere around $30,000 or $40,000, or as I have calculated for the Malaysia ringgit below. So the cost range would more likely to be charged by the food delivery mobile app development company. Comprises all mobile app design, development of both Android and iOS versions of the app testing, and the app launch in the market.
In conclusion, the creation of an online food reservation system is intended to assist customers and address one of their major issues. Due to the fact that many customers may utilize the phone and the internet, and this system will address a number of related problems. Thus, the development of Food Hunter online food reservation system is made to assist and address one of the major issues facing the client. It enables customers to simply place orders and provide them with the information they need. The food website application designed for restaurants helps with their customer orders.
And that's all for our presentations today. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask the questions.